How to start a minimalist life and start saving, and then as well learn to invest. Thank you for stopping by today and welcome to my channel. My name is Antoinetta and I'm an eco-friendly warrior and a passionate investor. And I want to bring you all the latest steps to stay on track with eco-friendly options and how this can help you to start investing, saving and investing. This time I have prepared a special topic that is certainly a win-win for you. Did you know that living using only the bare necessities can be appealing financially? Have you ever thought of improving your life by living with only the most important of things? Do you wish to learn the secrets of a minimalist life? You're in luck because this time I'm bringing you the top ways to begin a minimalist life and save money and the planet. Of course, taking to this life can cause you a lot of initial difficulties, especially on your first look at things. My topic today will help you make a firm decision to join this way of life. What is a minimalist life and how can it help with my goal to save better? Minimalist is downsizing the needs of your daily life while concentrating on things that matter to you. This is on its own, it's not a criteria of saving more, but it's a big help to you. Certain steps should be taken when beginning a minimalist life that can lead to you save much more. Following this path, you have to choose between cutting down on clothing, accommodation costs, fast foods, social events, trips and practically anything else that isn't a survival necessity. Steps to begin a minimalist life and start saving. First is inventory and evaluation. To begin, take a look around you and note in your mind all that you have. Once you have done this, make a mental note of what you really want to achieve by following this path. Are you seeking happiness? Do you wish to save up for a big move or a big life choice or to clear debt? Whatever it is, plan it out from the very beginning. 2. Clean and tidy. As a primary rule, minimalism leads you to take down what is necessary and what is not. You keep those that are and you say goodbye to things that aren't. Budget. Make a budget for your goal. If it's financially based, let us say you need 150,000 in 5 years. Saving has to be 2,500 monthly. This budget also lets you know how much you have to spare when it comes to spending. If your salary is 4,000 monthly, then you know you have only 1,500 for your living expenses. Or you can combine between two of you, your partner as well, and you can get 4,000 monthly. For budget-friendly green items for your home, you can find plenty of information on my website, Lifestyle Tips by Antoinetta. We highly recommend ecobravo.co.uk, this brand EcoBravo, for eco-friendly alternatives. Needs and wants. What exactly are your needs during these 5 years? You need to separate the wants and needs. Needs are important for your survival, wants are not essential. You need shelter, food and clothes while you want a penthouse, 4-star meals and brand name clothes. Your needs should always come first in a scale of preference before you can begin to consider your wants. Quality, not quantity. You can buy a relatively expensive bag of 200 because you know it will take at least a year or 2 before you may need to get another one. These are better than buying 4 by 50 each that you won't last a year. The quality of a need should come over the quantity of physical appearance. This is an understanding you must carry with you through your minimalist journey. Fewer things, less space. Remember, the goal is to have as little as possible to conserve money. This also means that if you are downsizing your luxury living, there would be no need to live in a costly apartment. Try sharing the rent, or if you enjoy your space, go for a studio apartment, maybe even one that goes on a monthly payment plan. Cost of maintenance. Since everything is the bare minimum, then the cost of maintaining will drop to the minimum. This way, you can concentrate on the bigger picture, save energy, time, save money, and learn to invest. And prepare for future. Saving and living minimalist life requires dedication and determination. To achieve a goal, you must be willing to go beyond your comfort zone. With so many requirements and plans we have for ourselves and our families, it's important to make the best of every penny. Keep in mind that downsizing your whole living plan doesn't mean that you can automatically save. It takes the willpower and focus to complete your goal in time. You can downsize and still spend so luxuriously that you can never get to your goal. If you feel motivated by my topic today and feel that you want to begin a downsized life, kindly let me know. Or if you already live this life for a certain goal, then I'd love to hear your story and be a part of your wonderful journey. And I would be happy if you could share some more advice for those who plan to begin this journey in the comments below. Write me your comments below this video. Share, ask me questions. I'd like to read them. I'd like to hear your advice. There's so many plans we have for ourselves, but finance is a major factor that goes against us. This topic took the viewers down the path that can lead you to save more for the bigger dream, so you can save and learn to invest. It explores in detail all that you need to know when starting a minimalist lifestyle, talking strictly about those things that are necessary to ensure you achieve your set plan at the due date. So if you are in a search of the best startup guide to a downsized life, this was for you. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch more about the subject in the future, please let me know by sharing it with your friends and liking it on social media. If there is enough interest, I could make a couple more videos about this in the future. I put a lot of time and effort to make these videos. If you want to see more, or I ask you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. As well, you've got plenty of other videos that you can find on my channel, and actually there's motivation for investments and success. So if you watch them, you can actually learn how you can be successful. Have you tried living minimalist life? What do you think about it? What is your experience? Please do not hesitate to share your thoughts, ideas and experience with everyone in the comment section. I always love hearing from you. So as well, on below this video you can find the link to my book, which is How to Live Minimalist Lifestyle. So if you want to purchase, you can click down below the link and you can get a book and you can start your journey. There's other books that I highly recommend you can read, as well as my favorite products. And I'd like to say thanks for being with me, thanks for watching my videos. Until next time, stay green and motivated.